The Great Sneeze. One day, Bob was at an important job interview. He was sitting in front of the manager, trying to look calm and professional. Suddenly, he felt a massive sneeze coming on. He tried to hold it back, but it was no use. Achoo, only this wasn't an ordinary sneeze. It was so powerful that it blew his glasses right off his face, knocked over a cup of coffee, and sent a stack of papers flying everywhere. The manager stared at him, wide-eyed, while Bob scrambled to gather the mess. Trying to save the moment, Bob said, "Well, I guess I just made a clean sweep of your office." The manager laughed so hard that Bob got the job, because who wouldn't want a guy with that kind of impact?